Do you want to create professional looking photographic effects for your illustrations, images, and projects? Have you ever wanted to learn Adobe Photoshop, the world's leading photo and graphic editing software, but have been afraid because it looks intimidating? Well, you're in the right place. Hello, my name is Jeremy Deegan, and I have been using Adobe Photoshop for years to create stunning looking photographs and amazing pieces of artwork. I know that there is a lot of Photoshop courses on the market today. You can sift through thousands of online tutorials to try and learn the software on your own. That can be extremely frustrating, and that is exactly why I created this course, where you will learn by doing. This course is a combination of multiple projects where you will follow along with me, practice at your own pace, and learn every tool that you will ever need to recreate these stunning photographic effects. The projects include a color splash effect, a dramatic effect, an Instagram Nashville filter effect, and so much more. You can even preview the first project for free. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no reason to hesitate. So go ahead and enroll now, jump right into Photoshop, and I will be with you every step of the way.